This woman is not working in World Bank, she's working somewhere. I don't want to tell you, but I know where she works. When Jason was talking about people who wake up 4 a.m., once you begin to talk in the realm of dreams, people always leave their present worry to dream. And when people start dreaming of traveling to exotic locations, of having more time to spend with their family, of retiring early, these are dreams you appropriately you must buy into the dream. And that's why I'm asking you to renew your privilege pack. And that's why we're asking you to make your name list. Because these are the tools that will make sure that your dream will not become nightmares. Find out those who want to get to financial freedom and show them how they can port from where they are. They can become like that young man. What is his name again? Saka. Saka was where he was working hard. Now he's where he's. In fact, I heard that the kids are saying that they want Saka to port back. They give you 90 days to port back. I can tell you, I want to be Saka. You don't need to be a Saka to achieve your dream. All you need to do is plug into the system and follow some strategic steps. So the system is very simple. As I've been saying, it's something of let's fight and then work with them so that they can do exactly what you can do. So that you can have, I call it 5 alike. You have 5 alike, 5 alike. So if every time you remember 5 alike, remember 5 alike. Find 5 people that you can make to become like you. When they become like you and they do what you are doing for themselves, as they are working for themselves, they are also working with you, and both of you can create a system that is paying everybody at the same time. Very important. Now, so one of the strategy you can adopt in the next phase is to use third-party invitation, where you are asking questions and you are not asking the person question concerning himself. You are making it look like you are looking for somebody else, not really him. What usually happens is those people immediately answer the question for themselves first. Do you know someone who is looking for a vacation? Do you know someone who would like to make extra income? Do you know somebody who would like to retire early? Usually people will consider it. They will not tell you I will find out somebody. They are the somebody. That way, even if the person is saying no, he's not saying no to you because you are not really looking for him, right? You are looking for somebody. One of the challenges people have in network marketing is learning how to take no. People can't take rejection. When somebody says no to you, it doesn't mean that he's saying that what they're doing is wrong. You're only saying, I'm not going the same direction with you. And then what do? Find somebody else. So I tell people you can change the facts about your business today by taking action. Tell your neighbor, take action. Tell him or her, take action. When? It means that when you leave here, today you're going to make your name list. How many people will make their name list today? Because if you don't take action, nothing will change. Now, as I round up, there's something called sales session. It helps you to take advantage of other people's skill. So what Abraham was explaining, where you go with, or your client goes with you to go and do a business meeting, is a way of sales session. But here we are talking about home meetings. Now, what happens in home meeting is that it gives you a system. That's a system people can plug into. Now, when you go to meet somebody one-on-one, the person can have objection. You may not have enough knowledge or skill to handle the objection, so you lose the person. The person may have a past experience that you have not experienced, and you cannot explain why things should be. Someone will say, I get one business, and then I brought all the people, they didn't pay me. Then you say, they didn't pay you. Story end. Or if you invite the person to a meeting where your upline is present, or where a number of other people that is higher up, or some other people who are doing the business that are at the same level with you, but they also have experienced the business differently. So it's something like a house fellowship. And then the person, during the question time, the person bring up a question or an observation or an experience. In the course of the discussion, he will see that his perspective and his experience is not universal. That even though he has done the business or he has done some business that looks like what you're asking him to do, that he did not succeed, that people have succeeded. Am I right? He will also find people who have made money, and he will also find people who are ready to run with the business. So that becomes like a peer pressure. They call it anointing. You can tap into the anointing, and then you can get them sponsored. Now, when I showed someone who was on a treadmill, he was going busy. I know people who joined this 4 years ago, 3 years ago, they don't have results. It's not in the activity alone. It's in the focus and priority and direction you are driving. Someone wants to go to Ibadan, he gets to Ikeja, then he turns around, goes to Ibadan. Then will you ever get to Ibadan? No. So it's not in just running around. You need to spend your time wisely. You are trying to spend like 95% of your time working with your goal sheet. What are your goal sheet? You may have 20 direct now. Look in your team. Again, another tool you can use is a team a tool under your messaging system. Use your messaging system. It gives you option to send mail to your direct, send to all the people in the east, send to all the people in the left, so you can communicate directly with your team and find people there that are ready to roll with the business and connect with them. Spend 95% of your time with these people, and your business will change. So, as I round up, one stick is nothing. You alone cannot succeed in this business. When you get two people, you have a company, someone you can bounce an idea with, someone you can engage with. When you have three, when you have four, and that's the whole essence of having, where you can bring people into. Once they come in, there's a crossbreed of ideas. I want to believe that at the end of this meeting, that is going to last for the next 4 days, you will take your business from where it was to where it ought to be. Because this man said something that we all need to tap into. He said the difference between what we are doing and what we can do, or what we are capable of doing, will solve the problem of the world. Everybody sitting here is capable of solving somebody's problem. See yourself as a problem solver, not just as a marketer. See yourself as a dream driver. See yourself as someone who is helping people meet their needs. And I tell you, this business will take